Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix a wrong deposit and payment in QuickBooks Online. If you're new to QuickBooks and have zero accounting knowledge, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything step by step in the simplest way possible. Let's get started. First, log in to your QuickBooks Online account. On the left-hand menu, click on Sales, then select Customers. Find the customer related to the wrong payment and click on their name. Now, locate the incorrect payment in the list. Click on the payment to open it. If the payment itself is wrong, for example, the amount is incorrect or applied to the wrong invoice, you can simply edit it. Update the amount or uncheck the wrong invoice and check the correct one. Once done, click Save and Close. But what if the issue is with the deposit? To fix a wrong deposit, go to the left menu and click on Sales, then select All Sales. Use the filter option and choose Deposits to find the incorrect deposit. Click on the deposit to open it. Inside the deposit screen, you will see the payments included in that deposit. If the wrong payment is included, simply uncheck it. If there's an incorrect amount, you can edit it directly from here. After making the corrections, click Save and Close. In some cases, you may need to delete the deposit completely. To do that, open the deposit, click More at the bottom, and choose Delete. Confirm the deletion. After deleting, you can recreate the deposit correctly by going to Plus New and selecting Bank Deposit, then choosing the correct payments. One important tip: always double-check the bank account selected at the top of the deposit screen. Many errors happen because the deposit was recorded into the wrong bank account. And that's it. That's how you fix a wrong deposit and payment in QuickBooks Online in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple QuickBooks tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.